Hi everyone, I'm Sylvia from Foshan Xingmingda. Today we'll talk about how to align the film on your writing machine. A step-by-step guide. When the first time alignment, don't move the two-side fixture device. Put the film into the middle of the machine. The machine is pre-adjusted and put a test profile. Put the film far enough here so it runs straight. For example, your film is 20 cm. Then set the point to 10. Don't push the scrap blade in yet. First, get some glue flowing by turning on the melt and glue value. You need to see glue on the edge of the blade. Now you can put the blade in. Then pull it back now. Check the glue pattern on the film. This area without glue. Grab a tape measure. Let's say the unglued part is 4 cm wide. And then release the film and put the whole roll by 4 cm to the other side. Cut the piece you just used. Put a fresh section to the same length. Let's repeat the step just above. After the entire film is glued, that's right, slide the two fixture devices over and lock them down. Tear off a piece of film, fold it to find the center. Use the mark to make a reference mark, then this is the center point. Next time you need to set up like 4 cm film, just fold it to find its 4 cm center. Match that to your mark. Position the guide and tighten the screw. Then open the film, slide the other side fixed device over, then lock them down. Finally, set the blade point to 4 cm, and then your film and your blade are perfectly aligned.